So guys, here we are now. It's called Vasco da Gama, and I think there is someone I did not introduce to you guys. That's unacheka.
Sijui mbona umepata off guard.
Yeah, I did not. Yes, I did not introduce to you guys Jackson Omwenga.
Yeah.
Yes.
But then do you know I'm also a YouTuber?
You're a YouTuber.
I have a YouTube account.
Oh, I didn't know you have a YouTube account. Me, I know you are a videographer and a photographer.
Yeah, I post my, like I do documentaries, weddings, you know. So that's where I post my work.
Okay. Oh, YouTube channel.
Yes.
Oh, maybe I will link your YouTube channel in my description box.
Don't mind.
Maybe.
Don't mind.
Okay.
Are you having fun in Mombasa, in Malindi?
Of course, but this time I didn't come for my personal benefit. I think I came for his personal benefit. Yeah, because he wanted to see Mombasa. Actually, it was my idea to come to Malindi. He just wanted Mombasa, but I told me we can also explore Malindi because of the water activities that have been banned at the coastal region. You see, the tide is so high.
That's great.
Yeah. And you're doing a good job, Jackson.
So is this Hidayah?
Guy, look at the tide. Yo, you guys. So guys, we are heading to Vasco da Gama. We will hear a little bit about Vasco. But yo, is this the Hidayah cyclone or what? It's too high. Whoa! Look at that. So guys, I was just making a video and then the water came to me right on my face. Let me show you what's happening here. Look, just see. Whoa! This is too much. Is this the Hidayah? Look.
Unacheza na Hidayah.
No, that's too. So guys, I was trying to record, but then the water splashed on me. I'm not sure if the Hidayah cyclone is here, but now this is Vasco da Gama. We are here. This is how the place looks like. Let's just go. The tide is very high right now. The water used to be where the dam was. So this is the Vasco da Gama pillar. You can sit here and enjoy the ocean. There are some people inside the ocean. Oh my god. The weather is not looking so good, guys. I don't know what's happening.
Okay guys, welcome to Vasco da Gama Pillar. Okay guys, welcome to Vasco da Gama Pillar. This the pillar. So this that pillar is called Vasco da Gama pillar because the one who built it was called Vasco da Gama. So that's how the name come from, the Vasco da Gama pillar. Also this pillar is found in Malindi, Kenya. So the pillar was built in 1498 by the Vasco da Gama. The purpose of this pillar was used as a landmark to make to show the direction to India. So Vasco da Gama was the purpose for Vasco da Gama to come was to to find the sea route to India for trade. They wanted to connect trade between the Europe and Asian continent. So Vasco da Gama was from Portugal. He started this in 1497 and arrived India core in 1498. So Vasco da Gama also came with some men. They were around 170 people. They passed through West Africa, through South Africa to coastal region of East Africa now, here Kenya. So Vasco da Gama landed in Kenya in 1498, 7 April. The first place to land, it was Mombasa, but there in Mombasa, he was not welcome. So here in Malindi, he was welcome. Later, before he left Malindi, he fueled the pillar. So I've told you the purpose of the pillar was used as a landmark to show direction. And then on top of the pillar, there is a cross. The cross was a symbol of Christianity. Yeah.
This is the Portuguese Chapel, and I'm running to listen to what the guide will tell us. So let's go, guys.
Those people, they were Christians. So those who built the second pillar were the one now who built the church. So
and you said it was built in?
This one,
Yeah.
15th century.
15th century?
Yeah, it was built in 15th century. So
And
those
the
people,
walls are original, the
yeah,
style
the
is
wall is
original.
still original, and also this altar. So the one who built this altar is not a Portuguese. He was a Christian man called Saint Francis Xavier. So Saint Francis Xavier landed here in Malindi in 1542, and he buried 2 people outside there, the church. Before he left Malindi, or before he left his church, he renovated the church. What did Saint Francis build here is that window, this altar, and this side here. So this side was a confessional side, whereby you pray. After you pray your prayers, you left your offerings here. And then you can see this altar. The altar is not like the current altar in Catholic Church. So this is a Catholic church. So when you see this altar, it's attached to the wall. So in Catholic, this is the first Vatican. The first Vatican is when the Christian or the priest used to pray facing one direction. So with them, they used to pray when they are doing their service, they face one direction. The current form now, the current form in Catholic is called Second Vatican. So whereby you move this altar a bit, and then the priest go behind. They see now the Christian. So there's a difference with the current situation and the past one. And then this window was used for supposed purpose. One time ago, in this church, they were now facing challenges with the Muslim. So sometimes you find them praying here, you can find being attacked by the Muslim. So this window, when you see this window inside here, it's so big, but when you peep throughout, it's narrow. So with the one who is inside here, when you peep throughout, you can see far away, but the one who is outside cannot see you. So in case of there is a service and there is any attack there, the soldier can now inform the Christian either now to run or to wait to defend themselves. So this one was for security, this one was for mass service, that side were for the confessional side and also the offerings. And then the church is no longer used on Sunday as a worship place. On Sunday, normal Sunday, it's now a historical site whereby the visitors have to pay to come and see the church. But on the first, every year, the third day, every year, every December. So you find the Catholics in between Malindi here, they normally come here, they pray, they bless the church, and then they go. So during that day is when all Catholic in whole world, they remember Saint Francis Xavier, the one who came here. So that person, he was a saint. So they normally remembered in Catholic Church. They call the feast of Saint Francis that day. So sailors who came with Saint Francis, and then when you enter the gate here, there's that big grave is for someone called Charles Arnold. That is the first tea planter in Kenya. So he planted tea in a place called Kericho, and he died here in Malindi reef in the ocean there, and then he was buried outside there. Yeah, and then they say also there's around then the well-known graves are 36, but we have many graves which are not known. Yeah. So when you, especially this side on the left side here, we don't know the owners, but on the other side there's name for those the dead one who were buried outside there. Yeah. So this is the first Christian church in East Africa. Also here in Malindi or in Kilifi, we have two churches. They say it's first church in East Africa. We have this one and another one in a place called Rabai. So there's difference between this one and that one now. This one was built by explorers. Explorers was like the likes of Vasco da Gama, because they were exploring the sea route to India. But that one, it was built by missionaries. The missionaries were the one who bring Christianity. So they say that that church is the first Christian church, but this one is older than that one. We have another one in a place called Mayumayu in Kenya, where there is a escarpment, the formation of Rift Valley. There is a small church also that was built by the missionaries.
So that is it, guys, about the church. You've heard from our guide. I personally didn't know anything about this church, so this guy has given us very good information about the first church in East Africa. It was built by the Portuguese. Yes, thank you so much for your information. Remind me your name. Robinson, asante sana. Yeah, so these are the graves you're talking about. All right.
The well-known one is this one. The two big one is for the two sailors.
Ah, okay. What was the name of the sailors? This one?
Yeah.
This one is for?
The sailors.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, this one. This one.
Oh, these two.
This one is for Charles Arnold, the first tea planter.
The first tea planter in Kenya. All right, thank you so much. You guys have overrated the sand dunes of Malindi. I will tell you the truth, eh? Personally, I don't like this. I don't know why, but I don't like it. I am sorry. Doesn't look good to me. What is this? Okay. A little disappointed. It's overrated. Are you guys? Come on. So guys, these are the Malindi sand dunes. They have been overrated. Totally overrated. For me, personally. Overrated. Overrated. Thank you.